So Ubuntu 22.04 is finally here, and I wanted to install OBS Studio on it. I wanted to cover all of the installation process in this video. So the simplest way to install OBS Studio on Ubuntu is just use the Ubuntu repositories, which means that we can just run apt install OBS Studio. And there is nothing wrong with that. The problem is that you're only going to have the OBS version that is in the Ubuntu repositories. Now, as you probably know, the Ubuntu repository is usually a bit behind for each of the packages it holds. And that's also the case for OBS Studio. So what we can do is change our sources, which means that instead of looking for updated versions of OBS Studio in the Ubuntu repositories, we're going to look for it in the OBS project website. So let's go ahead and open the OBS website. And here in the home page, we can see that the latest version is 27.2.4. Now, if we look at the latest version that is in the Ubuntu repositories, we can see that it's 27.2.3. So right now the difference is really minimal, which isn't surprising as Ubuntu 22.04 just came out. But as time goes on, this difference might grow, and if you want to make sure that you have the latest available version of OBS Studio, you should update your source to the OBS website instead of the Ubuntu repositories. To do that, let's follow the instructions in the website. And I'm going to choose Linux, of course. And I'll scroll down a little bit, and here's Ubuntu. So first we need to add the OBS Studio repository. Now we need to update our system. That's done as well. And now we can go ahead and install OBS Studio. Now, when it actually downloads the files for OBS, it won't do it from the Ubuntu repositories, but from the website itself, which we know that always holds the latest version. So let's go ahead and install OBS. And it's quite a big download, and let's go ahead and install it. Great, let's try to start OBS Studio. And it opened, and we're ready to start streaming or recording. Thanks for watching.